Sam, an avid hiker, spent weekends exploring scenic trails and discovering hidden waterfalls and wildlife. One spring, he began documenting his hikes with a camera, capturing breathtaking landscapes. Encouraged by friends, he shared his photos on Instagram, gaining a large following with his detailed trail descriptions and tips. Inspired by the response, Sam started a blog to write in-depth articles, share safety tips, and review hiking gear. He organized group hikes, fostering a local hiking community. His growing online presence attracted a sponsorship from an outdoor equipment company, providing him with gear to test and review. By year's end, Sam was featured in a national hiking magazine and invited to speak at outdoor adventure conferences. His passion for hiking had blossomed into a thriving career, inspiring others to explore the great outdoors.